native. And here we have a group of students who are doing practice. So, number one, what are you doing?
What are you up to?
Seriously, is it like that?
Come again. Is it so?
The view is very nice.
The view is breathtaking.
Your DP is too good.
DP is jaw-dropping.
I don't like swimming.
I'm not into swimming.
I totally agree with you.
I see eye to eye with you.
Try to understand.
Read between the lines.
Thanks for watching.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.